In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to strike through on Trello. If you've ever wanted to mark your tasks as complete or simply emphasize that certain information is no longer relevant, learning how to apply strike through formatting can be a real game changer. Let's dive in and I'll walk you through it step by step. First things first, we need to head over to Trello's website. Open your favorite web browser and type in trello.com in the address bar. Once you've done that, you'll be greeted by the Trello homepage, where an array of your dynamic boards and cards awaits. At the top right hand corner of the screen, you'll notice a login button. Go ahead and give that a click. Now Trello makes it super simple to access your account with various login options. You can choose to log in with Google, Microsoft, Apple or Slack. If you'd prefer, you can also enter using your email address and a password. Once you're logged in and on the Trello dashboard, you might be wondering about all the possible ways to format your text. Trello offers a versatile text formatting experience. Whether you're using the editor toolbar, handy keyboard shortcuts, or even familiar markdown syntax, the platform accommodates your preferences neatly. Now for today's purpose, we're going to focus on how you can strike through text. This is particularly useful if you want to visibly mark items like tasks, shopping lists, or even reminders as done or irrelevant. On a card, locate the editing options. There's a small toolbar above the text area that provides you with a plethora of formatting tools. To find the strike through option, click on the three-dotted menu, which also goes by the ellipse icon, often found near the toolbar. Here you will see strike through as one of the options. Clicking this will allow you to apply strike through to any selected text, making it appear crossed out. And there you have it, your text will now be formatted with a clean, noticeable line through it. It's a straightforward yet effective way to visually indicate changes in real time on your cards. Using these straightforward steps, you can enhance your Trello boards with tools that make task management more visual and less cluttered. I hope you found this guide helpful. Be sure to experiment with other formatting options available on Trello to further customize your workflow. Thanks for watching and happy organizing on Trello.